Ever seen coders complete functions in seconds? This is vibe coding, where AI generates text right inside your editor as you type. Let's see how this magic actually works. The AI doesn't just guess, it reads your entire file. It understands variable names, function patterns, and your coding style, like a smart assistant watching over your shoulder. As you type, the AI predicts what comes next. It generates suggestions in line, no switching windows. You accept, reject, or modify them instantly. It learns from your choices too. Behind the scenes, the AI uses your code as context. It analyzes thousands of similar patterns from its training. The result? Relevant working suggestions that match your project's style. Love learning about smart coding tricks? Subscribe for more tech insights that make you a better developer. Vibe coding isn't cheating, it's smart collaboration. You focus on logic while AI handles repetitive parts. The result? Faster coding, fewer bugs, and more time for creative problem solving.